CoWIN platform is a digital backbone of India's COVID vaccination drive. It has a registration portal where citizens can register for vaccination and book appointments. Further vaccination centers have to be registered on this portal to create vaccination sessions. In this video, we will learn about the onboarding process of private COVID vaccination centers. We will also see how vaccination sessions can be scheduled by the vaccination centers. Further, we will learn about the new feature of CoWIN portal related to vaccination utilization report. Let's see how a private facility can register itself for the vaccination drive. This is divided into multiple steps. Step 1. Connect with District Immunization Officer or DIO to register your private health facility on CoWIN portal by providing 1. Hospital details, 2. Address, 3. Location, 4. Contact, and 5. Cold chain point details. However, if your hospital is already registered, you do not need to register again. Site manager is the key functionary who manages all activities of the vaccination centers on CoWIN portal. He enters stock details, creates vaccination sessions, and maps sessions with vaccine batches. Further, verifiers and vaccinators are two key functionaries associated with registered facility. While verifiers verify the identity of recipients, the vaccinator administers the vaccination to the verified recipients. District admin supported by DIO registers site managers of the facilities on CoWIN platform. Upon completion of the registration, a unique username and password will be shared with the site manager on the registered mobile number. Please don't share credentials with anyone. Step 2. Site manager has to log into the CoWIN portal at admin.cowin.gov.in and perform several tasks associated with the vaccination process, including registration of verifiers and vaccinators for a given facility. Verifiers and vaccinators can log in onto the app .cowin.gov.in or download the CoWIN Vaccinator app and update their profile. Now, let us see how the site manager updates details related to the vaccination sessions. The site manager has to first update details related to the vaccine stock available with the health facility for vaccination. To update the stock, click on the Stock Entry tab on the top left corner of the screen. On this page, upon clicking Add Stock button on the top right corner, a page will open wherein details like vaccine type, vials received, dose per vial, total number of doses, received date and batch number have to be entered. Upon clicking the Save button, stock status will be published. Further, click on the Vaccination Center tab on the left side of the screen to provide other details required for initiating a vaccination session. To do this, go to the Actions column and click on the settings icons amongst the 4 icons under this column. You can select the vaccine type and enter the price on this page. Upon submission of this information, the site manager will receive an OTP on registered mobile number. After entering the OTP, details can be saved. After fixing the price for vaccination, the site manager can initiate a new vaccination session. To add a new vaccination session, click on the calendar icon under the Actions column. On Manage Session page, fill in the details like 1. Date, 2. Vaccine name, 3. Per day capacity, 4. Start time and end time of vaccination, 5. Percentage of online registration that can be accommodated, 6. Age. Age here depicts the age group of the vaccine recipients. After entering the details, click on the Add icon on the extreme right corner of the panel to save and publish the session. To add another session, please fill in the details as above and click on the Add icon again. The site manager has to update the vaccine batch, which has to be consumed for a particular vaccination session. For this, click on the Vaccine Batch icon under the Actions column. In the Manage Vaccine section, you can select the vaccine batch number from the pre-populated list. The vaccine batches will be pre-populated as per the details entered into the stock of the facility. The vaccine batch mapped against a particular session has to be used for that session only. Under the Actions column, upon clicking the pen icon, Site Manager can edit the latitude and longitude details of the private facility. This can be done in two ways. 1. Manually. 2. Using the Google Maps. All other details are pre-filled and cannot be edited. Now let's learn about a new feature that has been built into the CoWIN platform to track vaccine usage and wastage after every session of vaccination. Each vaccinator has to close the vaccination session by clicking the End Session button on CoWIN portal. After the end of each vaccination session, vaccinator has to enter following details in the Vaccine Utilization Report page. 1. Total dose administered. 2. Doses per vial. 3. Partially used vials. 4. Doses administered from partially used vials. 5. Total number of used vials. This is called the Vaccine Utilization Report or VUR. This is a mandatory step, and in case hospitals miss filling these details for more than 2 days, the system will not allow creation of a new vaccination session until previous vaccine utilization details are submitted. Therefore, all vaccination centers are required to submit this report at the end of every vaccination session. For more details, please visit app.cowin.gov.in. For any technical assistance, contact us on 0120 447 3222.